Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I will show you on how to delete posts on your WeChat channel. Complete full guide. So let's begin. The very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your WeChat app. Just like so. Having opened up your WeChat app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on Discover. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Channels. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this profile icon right here. Then the next thing you want to do is to simply click on your channel name. Then you have all your video right here. So you can select any video you want to delete. So I'm going to delete this particular video right here. I'm going to select on that. Then after you select the video, next thing you need to do is to click on these three dots from the top. Then this is going to pop up. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on delete icon right here. Then click on OK. So with that, the video is going to be successfully deleted from your WeChat channel. So this is how to delete a post or video on your WeChat channel, complete full guide. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.